We helped a 15,000 employee Dutch manufacturing company save 22% on its Microsoft Enterprise Agreement, over $7 million in 3 years, while consolidating multiple contracts and future-proofing their cloud strategy. Here's how we did it. Their Microsoft renewal quote was $32 million, but the company had 3 separate Microsoft agreements across different regions, more than 1,000 unused Microsoft 365 licenses left over from mergers, 450 Power Apps licenses with almost no adoption, and Dynamics 365 seats sitting idle in regions that hadn't even gone live yet. On top of that, Microsoft pushed for a 30% Azure commitment increase, far beyond what their pilot projects actually needed. We began by auditing and consolidating. We unified their regional EAs into one, which bumped them into a higher Microsoft discount tier, and identified every unused or redundant license. We reclaimed over 1,000 unassigned M365 seats, stripped out idle Power Apps licenses, and scaled Dynamics licenses down to match actual deployment. Then we rebuilt the EA. We kept E5 only for 1,000 high-need users, moved thousands of others to E3 or F3, trimmed Azure commitments to realistic levels, and negotiated a burst clause so they could grow Azure usage at the same discount rate later, but without prepaying for capacity they might not use. Finally, we negotiated with Microsoft. Using the unified agreement and usage data as leverage, we secured Level C enterprise discounts, true up, down rights at annual anniversaries, and a 22% total cost reduction, bringing their spend from $32 million to $25 million. The result? A lean, consolidated Microsoft EA with no shelfware, more flexible cloud terms, and $7 million in savings they can reinvest into R&D and factory modernization. If your Microsoft agreements are spread across regions or full of unused licenses, contact Redress Compliance for a free Microsoft EA optimization assessment. We'll help you unify, simplify, and save.